This right here is how we can know for sure whether or not this is just a massive bull trap or a breakout that is going to lead to much more upside. Bitcoin is on the move again, y'all, and today I'm going to be telling you exactly what I am planning for on the charts and how I am trading this. Make sure to like the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and make sure to click that bell for notifications every time I upload a new video. As you can see, Bitcoin has broken out of the cup and handle pattern. I am still holding my long trades, guys, that I have been in now for many days, and I want to take a look at the chart because we do have some very interesting things here. Now, yesterday I felt like I was on top of the world. Bitcoin was just pumping. This morning, I woke up, I look at the chart, and I was shocked at what I saw because Bitcoin is currently finding some resistance, but there are still some very bullish things on the chart. So let's break this down step by step so we can determine what is most likely to happen. First of all, the daily Bollinger Bands. That is what I have on the chart right now. These are the daily Bollinger Bands on the 4-hour time frame. We can see that the price of Bitcoin has come above the daily upper Bollinger Band and is currently now retesting this as support. Something else that we have to very much so be aware of is the fact that we are right now at the value area high of the macro range. What that means is this is literally one of the make it or break it zones that we were talking about previously, where if the price cannot manage to get above this level, it is possible that we get to move all the way back down to the $16,200 level. But what we need to do now is we need to take a look at what is actually happening on the chart. If we look at the cup and handle pattern that we have on our chart, we can see that the technical target of this pattern is the golden pocket, the $17,550 to $17,650 area. That is the technical target of this pattern. And honestly, if we're going to be taking a look at the indicators on our chart right now, specifically, I'm looking at market cipher B, it really does look to me like we can get another move to the upside, okay? Now, full disclosure, guys, I am still holding the long trade that I gave in advance in the VIP Discord. All right, I'm still holding it. Remember, my target for this long was $17,400. This is a target I gave people in the Discord to long it from 16.3 to 17.4. That is the long I'm currently still in. We have not quite hit 17.4 yet, okay? Now, as you can see, I have taken some profits out of the trade right now because there is a chance that we may reject from here. There is a chance, but I am still holding out. As you can see, I have take profits at these next levels going all the way up to $18,000, and here is why. When we take a look at market cipher B right now, we can see that the 4-hour time frame is giving us some potentially very bullish signals, and that is that the VWAP is starting to curve back to the upside, and the 4-hour looks like there was more room to the upside. We got a money flow crossover back on the 6th of January, and if we come over here to the 8-hour time frame, we can see also that yes, we are forming a local top, but the money flow is also getting very thick. This, in my opinion, can lead to another push to the upside, but we do have to be very careful, and here is why. Again, there's a chance that the price could get absolutely shredded here, and I'm not talking about the good kind of shredded. I'm talking about a harsh rejection. New York is going to open at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, and I think that is when we will get a decision whether or not today we are going to get that push up or we're going to get that move to the downside. So let's go back and look historically at what potentially could happen here. The last few times that we got a big push to the upside, we were met with a bearish divergence on the 4-hour time frame, and that actually led to our top. So we can see right here the momentum in the money flow is getting lower as we put in our high at around 18.2. We can even go back and see that when we were about to drop right here for FTX, before FTX happened, we got that big one last push to the upside, and the 4-hour gave us that bearish divergence. Notice that what was happening right over here on market cipher B, very similar to what's happening now. We formed a local top with money flow getting thicker, okay? This is very important to understand here. We formed this first big momentum wave on market cipher B as the price made the first high. And then look at what happened to the price. We got a rejection, This was actually a mini bear trap before we got the bigger bull trap for the big dump. And we see something very, very similar happening to the price right now. We have that big momentum wave on market cipher B. We're starting to get a little bit of a correction to the downside. And by the way, guys, we are getting this small correction to the downside. The reason is because we did give that level also in the VIP Discord. Locally, these were the levels I was looking to scalp today. These are the levels I'm looking to scalp. In the mini range, we came up right to retest the local value area high, the golden pocket retracement, the macro value area high. I was actually able to grab a scalp short. I'm actually still holding the short. May or may not take profit on it right now. I'm still waiting. But anyway, if you want to join the VIP Discord, you can go to patreon.com/Jason Casper to join the community. It's not a signals group, but we are excellent at TA. We have a very good group of traders in here, some of the best traders in the world, posting the best analysis and the levels, and it's an educational group. If you want to learn, join the community. Also, if you want to learn technical analysis, check out the course at jasoncaspertrading.com. This course will give you the knowledge and the skills you need to become a confident, profitable trader. Make sure to check that out if you are interested. Now, getting back to the charts over here, remember what's happening on the 4-hour is very similar to what has happened in the past, and we may very well be met with the same kind of scenario, right? Remember, this scenario last time is that as we came up to these major highs, okay, what did we see on the charts here? We saw the dreaded upside down uneven butt cheek pattern. Now look at this woman right here, okay? I'm not trying to body shame in any way, shape, or form, but look at the anatomy. If a woman of this stature is hanging upside down from the rafters, do you think that she's not going to take a big drop? Of course she's going to take a big drop. And look at what's happening on market cipher B. As we come up to those highs, we can clearly see the momentum waves are getting lower. Likewise, as we come up to these highs, we can clearly see the butt cheeks are getting lower. This is called a bearish divergence. Very, very scary, a dreaded signal on the chart. We very well may print this as we come up to that cup and handle level, the golden pocket Fibonacci retracement, the $17,500 level. That is actually my next target to the upside. Now, this is a bearish scenario. The bearish scenario is either we reject from here or we reject from a little bit higher, putting in the upside down uneven butt cheek pattern. But let's still talk about this potential bullish scenario that we have. We know that we have this massive ascending triangle with some pretty high targets coming up to the $19,000 to $20,000 region. In addition, we did put in a low, we put in a high, we're putting in a higher low. If we use our Fibonacci extension tool, we can see that the one-to-one retracement is coming in right around $19,000. So if we are able to reclaim that $17,600 level, that definitely opens us up for more room to the upside. And here's the thing, we have major resistance coming in right around this $19,000 to $20,000 level. This is the door to Pump City, guys, because if we come above this level, we are now back into the old range that we were trading in June, in which case there's a real potential that we could come up to the $25,000 area. Now, I'm not a fundamental trader. I trade what the charts are telling me in the moment, but we need to think about this for a second. Everybody and their grandmother is calling for lower in 2023, saying, look, we're going to come down to 10K. We're going to bottom out Q1 2023. Then we will get a relief rally. Well, I am right now getting paid simply to hold short trades. I'm getting paid every single day just to hold short trades on ByBit and other exchanges. I'm getting paid the funding fee. There's a lot of people short right now. There's a lot of shorts that could get wrecked. And if we start to reclaim these resistances as support, we get a very smooth move back to the upside. The reason is because when we go to the higher term time frames, such as the daily time frame, we can see very clearly on the chart that it was a very smooth move down. Like the time you were in college, you went out to Taco Bell at 3 in the morning after partying all night with your friends. You shouldn't have done it, but you did it. And how are those chalupas going down? Very smooth. How are they on the way out? Even smoother. We could squeeze very hard back up to some of these levels. And that is why I am still holding my longs, having taken profits. All right, guys, God bless everybody in the name of Jesus the Messiah. I pray everybody is blessed, even if you are not religious. Make sure to like the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Make sure to click the bell icon to get notifications. And I will see everybody in the next video. Peace, y'all. Man, how do I even end this stupid video? I don't even know. Where's that button?